Pero Diyos ko,
Oo,
bagsak ang bagsak
stocks.
ang stock
Oo.
market. Yung mga 401k nyo, naging 201k na lang. Anong
Sabi ko nga
nangyari?
sa asawa ko, wag mo munang tignan yung 401k mo muna or any stocks right now. And it's again, it's a weird thing that's happening in the market right now. The tariff, as you know, Trump has implemented, di ba?
Oo nga,
Few days ago.
our US President.
I feel like we're just in the first quarter of the game. We don't know what else is gonna come in, but the bonds market, the rate bonds market, are liking it.
Yeah,
you know?
no, they're rallying.
Yeah,
That's why
yeah.
the interest rate have actually
Yeah.
started coming down for
Yeah.
mortgage.
Yeah.
Kasi alam po naman natin na yung mga investors,
Yeah.
kapag masyadong volunteer at saka bearish ang
Ang stocks.
ang stocks.
Or commodities.
Oo nga. Yeah, so ang ginagawa nila, nililipat nila yung pera nila sa something more stable na
Yes.
katulad ng US Treasury bonds.
Bonds,
or
correct,
bonds.
correct.
Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our episode 75 of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes!
Hello,
yes.
Alvin.
Hello, Elizabeth.
Welcome to the month of April.
I know, eto na. Walang
Ito na.
April Fools
wala.
muna.
Ikaw na April Fools
Hindi,
ka ba?
hindi ngayon. Hindi pwede.
Ah.
Kasi masyado nang it's baking up. The market is getting hotter. And we have to be focused lang talaga.
Correct.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba na I've noticed
Yeah.
like the last few weeks,
Yes.
ever since I came back from San Luis
Obispo,
Obispo,
mhm.
like the second week of March,
Uh-huh.
man, I've been working nonstop.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's even the lenders, us, no? Normally,
Yes.
kasi normally we see pick up like before summer, mga
Yes.
ganyan.
Summer.
Oo, mga ganon. Pero ngayon, we already seeing, like I said, 25% application pick up already.
Okay, are we talking about mortgage application or refinance application?
Let's just talk about mortgage application.
Okay.
We're seeing it, we're doing a lot of, purchasing approval now, right?
Wow, okay.
And open houses, as you can see, are busy now as well.
Oo nga,
very-
napansin ko nga
very,
yan.
very
yan.
interesting.
I mean,
nangyari yan.
actually, I'll be honest with you. I mean, I have some listings
Yes.
na, I represent the seller.
Mhm.
And some of them, a lot of showing, a lot of people to the open house. Pero walang nag-go-offer.
Yes.
And then some of them are even like crickets, like no showing
Uh-huh.
appointments or anything. And then all of a sudden,
yeah.
biglang nag-multiple offers.
Yes.
It's like, what is going on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to say it's weird, pero
Yes.
like I said, we're as a lender side, we're
Mhm.
also feeling that right now.
Wow.
People are getting back to the game, and
Mhm.
it seems to be na parang, I don't know what's the motivation, pero they don't care about the rate anymore. And we know
Mhm.
that the rate has dropped a little bit. It's
Yes.
coming down more.
Mhm.
Hopefully, it will come down more, but we're seeing the trend.
Mhm.
And we're just seeing people are just really motivated to get back to the game.
Yes. Oo.
And it's not even a summer yet kasi wala pa tayong sa season na yun, di ba?
And what do you think is happening? I know that the interest rate has significantly dropped.
Yes,
It's
yes.
like after the tariffs went effect, right?
Yes,
Dito
yeah.
sa Amerika.
Very weird. Napaka-weird, di ba?
Pero Diyos ko,
Oo.
bagsak ang
Ang
bagsak
stocks.
ang stock
Oo.
market. Yung mga 401k nyo, naging 201k na lang. Anong
Sabi ko
nangyari?
nga sa asawa ko, wag mo munang tignan yung 401k mo muna or any stocks right now. And it's a weird thing that's happening in the market right now. The tariff, as you know, Trump has implemented, di ba?
Oo nga,
Few days ago.
our US President.
I feel like we're just in the first quarter of the game. We don't know what else is gonna come in, but the bonds market, the rate bonds market, are liking it.
No, they're rallying.
Yeah,
That's why
yeah.
the interest rate have actually
Yeah.
started coming down for
Yeah,
mortgage.
yeah.
Kasi alam po naman natin na yung mga investors,
Yes.
kapag masyadong volunteer at saka bearish ang
Stocks.
ang stocks.
Or commodities.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
So ang ginagawa nila, nililipat nila yung pera nila sa something more stable na
Yes.
katulad ng
Mm.
US Treasury
Bonds,
bonds. or
correct,
T-bonds.
correct.
And then, syempre, dahil, US Treasury bond, maraming bumibili. So, yung pera nagpa-pump up sa US
Yes.
na it actually pays down the debt.
Galing,
Diba?
galing. Yeah. So the bonds basically, like I
Yes.
said, it has very, very low returns.
Yes.
Right? But it's secured.
Yes.
Why is it secured?
sigurado.
Kasi
Yes.
backup siya ng people tax.
Yeah, ng Amerika.
Yung tax ng
this
mga
is the government.
payer. Yeah.
Yes.
So, but like what she said, pagka medyo volatile ang stocks or commodities, dun lahat pumupunta yung pera sa bonds.
Pinapark muna nila doon.
Yes,
Pansamantala until everything, the dust settles.
Yes,
diba?
correct. And
Mhm.
that's what we've been seeing for the last 3 days, 4 days.
I mean, I'm just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
really stunned.
Yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
I mean, umabot na siya ng high 5%
Correct.
ang FHA interest rate.
Yes, yeah.
I would never thought that
Yeah.
in a month,
Yeah.
I mean, bababa
Yeah.
ang interest rate in 1 point.
Yeah, yeah. We
It's
might
crazy.
we might see under 6%, huh? Like the Kalhafa, the
no,
down payment assistance
I've
is
actually
6% already.
saw it yesterday.
Uh-huh.
FHA is 5.9.
Yeah, like we're there now.
It's
we're
crazy.
there. We're there. It is crazy, right? But this is I mean, I'm happy at the same time,
Mhm.
Elizabeth, but this is what really concerns me.
Yeah, tell me what concerns
If the rate drops for another 3/4 or maybe another half a point,
Yes.
this will make the market frenzy. Crazy.
Yeah.
Just like the COVID special rate that we
Yeah.
have 3
Well,
years
actually,
ago.
I'm gonna be honest with
Yeah.
you. I mean, my own listing
Yeah.
that's been crickets and
Yeah.
not like moving. All
Yeah.
of a sudden, it's picking up showings appointments.
Yes.
So the buyers are out from the
Yeah.
woodworks.
Mhm.
And they're really trying to, get back to the market
Yeah.
before it's too late.
Yeah, and it's actually, like I said, it's surprisingly the yung turnaround, yung 360 na turnaround when I say
180
right? 180 I would say.
Yeah. Mhm.
Parang talagang very sudden eh. Right?
Oo nga, ang bilis.
Bilis, di ba?
Para bang-
Yung mga listing mo nakatenga for a few, di ba? Right? And then all of a sudden,
multiple
wow.
offers.
Yung mga naka-pending,
Yeah.
I mean, kumbaga ba, active,
Yeah.
nasa pending na ngayon.
Yes, it is.
yes.
So it's a crazy market.
It is a
that
crazy market
we're at
talaga.
right now. Pero anong maituturo natin sa ating mga
Yes.
consumer?
Oo.
So, me as a real estate professional, kung nag-iisip kayo na bumili ng bahay, I mean, wag na po kayong maghintay. Do it now.
Yes.
Kasi the reason for that is once na magsibali-ka na lahat ang mga buyer, you're gonna be competing with investors. You're gonna be competing with people with a huge down payment.
Yeah, that
You-
has equity in their property that they're using to buy another home.
Or doing a contingent sale
Yeah.
or buy and sell. So you really need to get it
Yes.
going. And also, we have some institutional investors.
Correct.
Di ba na nagbibilihan ng bahay
Ng
para
bu-
paupahan?
Oo, ng bulk pa. Like, grabe.
Seriously.
Yeah, no, that's what's going on right now.
Yes.
yeah.
So I highly recommend that.
yeah.
Talk to a professional like me, do
Yeah.
a buyer consultation. I do offer free consultation. And then Alvin could also do a pre-qualification for you.
Yeah.
And I also heard, di ba, na may bagong down payment assistance.
Yes, the down
Okay,
payment
can
system.
you tell us about
Just
that?
briefly lang to, okay?
Yes,
Nothing by
briefly.
detail, but
Correct.
the CalHava, the California Housing Authority,
Yes.
are giving a down payment assistance. They'll give you the 3.5%.
Okay, yung down
Yung
payment.
down payment itself.
Libre ba yan o babayaran?
Well, you still have to pay the 3.5%.
okay,
right?
when you sell the house
you sell or refinance, okay?
Okay.
But they're also giving the closing cost. Ito yung grant, yung closing cost mismo.
So you, up to how much?
Up to 6% in total. So
What?
yeah, so you'll have
Wow.
another 2.5% kumbaga ba na pang closing cost mo if you
Oh,
want
okay,
to.
okay. So 3.5 for
Oo.
the down payment and then 2.5.
Yeah, so total of 6%.
So really, para bang makakabili ka ng bahay with zero
Zero.
money.
Yeah. So all you need to do is have the motivation to buy.
Oh
Wala
my
ka nang
goodness.
excuse, di ba? Parang ganun.
alam mo kung alam ko yan nung araw.
Oo nga eh.
Di ba? Dapat,
Yung tayo nun, no?
Oo nga.
Oh, wala mga ganyang programa nun eh. Oo.
So the government is really pushing for
The state
first
of
time,
government.
yeah,
yes,
the California
state,
state of
yeah.
California is really pushing people to buy a house.
Yes, they are.
And stop renting.
Yeah, stop renting. And again, it's I keep telling to my clients, or even to your clients, that it's not the seller market, it's not the buyer's market.
It's a neutral market.
Yeah, it's a neutral market talaga. You know,
Okay, so tell me a little bit about yung itong
Calhafa,
Calhafa
Yeah.
down payment assistance.
Yes.
Mataas bang interest niyan based from a prevailing rate?
This is what's good about your question kasi we are seeing that the Calhafa rates, which everybody could see this, is kasi it's on site.
Okay,
right?
what's the website?
The
that they could enter?
Calhafa.rates.
Okay.
So makikita niyo yan, nakapaskil yan sa site.
So
no?
as of today, ano bang interest rate?
As of Friday,
Yeah, first week of April.
First week of April, the FHA is at 6%.
Wow.
The conventional is at 6.375.
So halos
magkapareho lang ng konti.
Hindi
yes.
na ganun ka. So Alvin, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? If you are a seller naman,
Yes.
okay? I'm telling you, we're on a spring season. People always ask me, when is the best time to sell? When is the best time to sell? So sa buyer, walang best time to buy. You could buy it as long as you could afford it.
Yes.
But now, with my 18 years of experience, and I'm gonna tell it to all of you, when is the best time to sell is now.
Yeah.
Spring season. Tapos na timingan pa na pababa ang interest rate.
Yes.
So that means you're gonna have more pool of buyers that could actually afford.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, correct. Their qualification ba medyo naging lumaki ng konti.
Correct.
You know? So
Oo nga.
I'm doing a lot of revision on my pre-approvals, to be honest with you,
Wow.
because of that, right?
That's a great
Yeah.
news
It's a
for
great-
buyer
yeah.
and seller.
Sawang-sawa na ako sa for the past few months, parating lang ang taas ng rate, di ba? Pero I want to give you this news that we're seeing the
Correct.
trend of the
Yeah.
the rates going down.
Yeah, we're heading into fives now.
Yeah. So
Definitely.
I'm hoping na sana before the end of the year, di ba? Nandito na naman tayo sa tinatawag nating the 2025. Hopefully we will see. This is my prediction, ha?
Yes,
Okay?
personal opinion.
Personal opinion, I would probably say anywhere from 5.25 to 5.5.
Wow.
And I keep telling you this.
Kailangan ko na magpa-refinance.
I keep telling you
isang
this.
rental ko.
Madami na nagpapa-refinance na because they're asking. They have 7.5, 7.8, 7.5 rate, di ba? Or 7.25 and above. Marami na talaga naglo-look into
Teka
for
muna, pag
refinances.
let's say ang interest mo is bumaba ng 1%
1%,
interest.
depending on the purchase price.
Yeah,
ha?
mga magkano, let's say ang purchase price mo ang loan amount mo 600 kunyari.
Oo.
Ano yung ibababa ng payment mo magkano?
So you're talking about at least mga $500 to $600.
Are you serious?
Yes, about in that category. Correct. Yes.
Mahal, did you hear that? 5 to 600 for 1%.
Tapos kung may MI ka pa, if you have mortgage insurance,
Oo,
diba?
may mortgage insurance.
And then you have enough equity, and we know naman the equity's there,
Yes.
right? You can get rid of your your mortgage insurance. So if you have a $300, $250 mortgage insurance, that also could drop your monthly payment.
Wow.
So the goal here is, Elizabeth, to hit two birds in one stone.
Oh my goodness.
Get a better rate and get rid of your MI. And that's what's going on right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we all know the yung prices or value ng mga bahay, hindi siya bumagsak here
Correct.
in Sacramento or
Oo.
even in the Bay Area. It's actually decent.
Yes,
Hindi siya
yeah.
kasing grabe nung araw, but it was decent.
Yeah. And we
Appreciation.
I mean, what? Conservatively, let's just talk conservatively, what, 8 to 10?
No,
Or 5 to 8,
conservatively
yeah?
is about 3%, 3 to 4%.
But still,
Or 5,
but still,
yeah.
right? Okay. I mean, while you're paying your mortgage, yung balance mo rin bumababa. Remember that, right? And then, of course, with that 3 to 5% equity builder or conservatively.
So average,
Yeah.
maybe we're looking into about 5%.
Yes,
Average
correct.
yun na, average.
And like you said, Elizabeth naman I asked you a question, right? Okay,
Yes.
You've been in the business for so long. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Ito yung question ko na I've been wanting to ask you. I mean, I see this day in, day out. Like you said earlier, sabi mo, busy ako after the Lewis to Bispo. Where do you find the motivation? Diba? Paano?
Ewan ko.
I mean, what's the secret sauce? Ito
Secret
lang, may
sauce
iba
of
lang
being
tayo.
busy?
I mean, how do you keep up? How do you even maintain?
Ewan ko nga, alam mo, sa totoo lang,
Oo.
Alvin.
Oo.
Kasi alam mo naman, 50 na ako, right?
Kaya namin na. Five.
Oo, on the 50s.
Okay.
Yung energy ko, hindi katulad nung araw na, na balakas ka pa, whatever.
Yes.
Pero yung energy ko, parang the same pa rin.
Correct.
It's crazy.
Oo.
And it's like, I think maybe because kumukuha ako ng lakas like when I wake up in the morning, I pray na,
Yes.
please give me energy and wisdom on
Yeah.
how I could tackle my day for today.
Yeah.
Ganon,
Yeah.
something like that. And then of course, maybe dahil passionate siguro, I enjoy becoming a realtor and helping families. So I think that's, and I also have an eye.
Okay.
So this is really weird. Alam mo bang,
Ano yung eye mo?
hindi lahat ng realtor have an eye of a buyer?
Yeah, I believe that.
Okay, kasi ganito, even when yung mga agents na tinetrade ko, mga trainee sila, di ba?
Yes,
So they're become my listing assistant.
Yes.
Parang sinashadow nila ako when I'm
Correct.
prepping the house for sale. Nakikita ko every single little detail
Mm.
ng bahay on how to make it right
I
and
know.
really presentable.
Yeah.
I mean, you see me
Yeah,
on an
I know.
open house. How am I sa open house? Tell me.
Kung pwedeng ayusin ng bahay uli, like different style, gagawin namin eh. Gagawin niya eh. But this is one of the things though. That's what separates you from others, right?
Yeah.
That extra step, that extra mile improvement.
Yeah.
That will sell the home.
It's seriously, it was
Right?
funny because I was talking to my photographer, and this
Yes.
photographer like shoots like thousands already.
Thousands of
So, napag-usapan lang namin. Kasi tinatanong niya ako na, so how does other realtors do it?
Yeah.
So, sabi nila either meron silang marketing assistant na pumupunta doon during the photo video shoot to prep the house. Some of them don't even show up. You just give the key and then you start shooting. Siya pa nga daw ang nag-aayos at saka nag-organize. Okay? And then some realtors, they'll just show up and then just do the intro and then leave.
And leave, that's it.
Right? Pero ako daw, talagang the whole 2 hours nandun ako kasi gusto ko perfect lahat ng shot. Perfect lahat yung kung saan naka-position itong chair na to.
Perfectionist din to eh. Alam ko yun.
So yung parang ganun kasi and then minsan tinuturuan ko pa siya kung anong angle na kung pwede niyang i-zoom to, i-zoom yan, mga things like that. So it's really interesting. And that's why I think the seller sees that. Yun ang differentiation. Na I'm very hands-on when I take a listing. And the reason for that is because iba yung Elizabeth's touch when I prep the house. Yung para bang very involved and hands-on ako.
It becomes like parang almost like a personal
Oo,
experience,
para
diba?
siyang para siyang in a form of an art. Di ba kapag artist ka, yung parang ikaw lang ang nakakakita from your own eye.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi yung ibang agent ko, tinatanong ko, where do you see that? We don't even notice that.
Yeah.
But I see
The small
everything.
things, right?
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
And I can attest to this kasi
Yeah.
I do open houses too in any
Yeah.
other reels, as you know naman, di ba, sa Bay Area. But I love doing open house with Elizabeth Velasco team. Because ayun na, pag pumasok ako dun sa bahay, alam kong
presentable.
kumbaga ba, pwede talagang ibenta.
Correct.
Diba?
Kailangan show
Right?
ready
Oo.
at saka, saleable.
Yun ang gusto ko naman talaga.
Diba?
Pag nag-open house ako sa mga listings mo, right?
Yes, oo.
I love it. Kasi,
Yeah, at saka, correct. And then not only that, ang daming, a lot of consumer doesn't know there's a lot of work behind the scene.
Oh, yes.
Yung transformation na ginagawa namin from
yes.
the first time I did my ocular, para bang, it's like, oh, I don't think so I could sell this.
Yes.
Pero once I do all my, prepping and marketing kasi ang dami.
Yes.
So first, mag-ano ka, di ba?
I saw that firsthand nung ginawa mo sa amin.
Yeah, oo.
I
So
saw that,
first thing I do when I do my ocular, dala-dala ko na yung 10 boxes. Oh, ito ang 10 boxes mo. Can you please start decluttering?
Yes.
Okay. So declutter na, right? Tapos i-schedule mo syempre yung deep cleaning.
Correct.
Talagang every nick, nuts, everything, baseboard, everything, deep cleaning, talagang pati windows lilinisan, okay? And then on top of that, you also need to do power wash. Kasi kailangan hilamusan yung bahay. Kasi yung alikabok and everything, yung mga decks, driveway, walkway, all of that. Syempre, spruce up. Lagyan mo ng konting flowers, konting mga tanim-tanim, mga ganon. Kasi kailangan naming ma-sense yung 5 senses na tinatawag sa
Correct.
pagbenta ng bahay.
Can you repeat that again for me, please?
Okay,
I
so
remember
ganito.
this. Oo.
So sight,
Ah.
which is syempre pleasant sa mata. Okay?
Okay.
Yung amoy,
Oo.
you cannot have, a foul smell.
Yes.
Kailangan inviting, di ba?
Mhm.
So we take care of that by making sure deep clean. Tapos minsan, kung hindi allergic yung seller, naglalagay
Oo.
kami ng parang, yung light room deodorizer. Okay? And then also yung touch.
Mm-mm.
So when you say touch, syempre yung mga buyer, syempre i-oo ng,
Mga ilaw.
ang mga ilaw,
Oo.
yung mga light switches,
Yeah.
bubuksan ng mga pintuan. Eh
Mhm.
kung malagkit yung doorknob,
Oo.
di ba?
Oo nga
Or
naman.
hawakan nila na maalikabok,
Mm-mm.
syempre matitismaya yung buyer.
Correct.
Kaya kailangan talaga deep clean. Kaya
Correct.
yun yung touch.
Oo.
And then of course, yung taste.
Mhm.
We take care of that during our open house. Alam naman natin, thank you, Alvin, for
okay.
always bringing the
Yeah.
snack and the goodies.
Yes.
Yes. Kasi syempre, yung mga buyer,
Oo.
syempre gusto nilang,
Mhm.
minsan syempre pagod na pagod yan.
Yeah.
Hindi pa nagla-lunch
Mhm.
dahil naglalagari, naghahanap ng
Mm-mm.
bahay, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So we keep like a little
Yeah.
snacks and
Yeah.
water, things like
Yeah.
that. And then last but not the least, yung hearing.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I always tell my seller, Alvin,
Oo.
na sa YouTube,
Oo.
yun nila.
Oo nga. Oo.
So sa during winter time,
Mm-mm.
so ipapa-on ko yung fireplace na may jazz music.
Yes. Yes.
Tapos sa kwarto naman nila yung
Mm-mm.
zen, yung
Mm-mm.
parang yung may
Yeah.
yung stone, yung stocking stone.
Correct. Oo.
Tapos kung naman waterfall.
Mm-mm.
Kasi syempre kailangan soothing na parang it's pleasant to their ears.
Yeah.
So and those are the things little things that a good realtor or a good listing agent like me,
Uh-uh.
okay, that we do.
So it sets
Yes.
the moods a little bit, right? Pag
The
mga ganyan.
mood and everything.
Lahat.
Kasi
See, guys?
I mean, touring a home
Yeah.
it has to be an experience.
Correct.
Ano bang naramdaman mo
Yeah.
as soon as you enter the house?
Yeah.
Ano ba, madilim ba yan? Na mukhang, na magulo, decluttered?
Oo.
Kailangan maganda. Yung
Yeah.
vibes,
Yeah.
yung tinatawag na, ano bang tawag doon?
Which one?
Yung parang feeling when you come into the house.
Parang feel mo na parang it's a welcoming
Welcoming,
home. Tapos
you
very
feel
light.
warm.
Very light.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
Ganun, oo.
Importante
Importante
yun.
talaga yun.
Kasi
Oo.
you cannot create the feeling but if you don't
Yeah.
touch those 5 senses.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
Yeah. And you know what? Like I said, we're seeing the market pivot. I mean, busy na tayo ngayon. Nakikita
Yes.
ko na. And I think we're gonna get more busier. And the reason why I'm asking you this, Elizabeth, because I also want to be able to tell all the clients or potential buyers that nasan yung mood ninyo to buy a home right now? Is it the rate? Is it, are you waiting for the market to crash?
Mhm.
Are you waiting, what are you waiting for? Diba? Right?
Correct.
Because if you wait for more
Mm.
longer,
Yes.
right? Not only that we could see, again, the market is still volatile, we might see the rate to go up again, but
Mhm.
take the advantage, take the opportunity.
Oo nga,
Diba?
kasi ganito
Right?
yung mga hindi nakabili during COVID,
Tama.
okay?
Oo.
Ito na yung chance ninyo
Yes.
ulit.
Oo.
Bumalik na siya after
Oo.
4 years.
Oo.
Because of all this, like uncertainty that's happening,
Yeah.
in our economy.
Yeah. Itong tariff na to, hindi natin
And
alam.
with the
Oo.
US,
Oo.
and with all the, other layoff na nangyayari.
Yeah. Oo.
Basta ang importante, Alvin,
Yes.
stable yung trabaho nila.
Yeah. And kung
Yun
kaya,
lang naman.
kung kaya, 'di ba? Kung
Kung kaya.
qualify, kung kaya,
Correct.
why not, 'di ba? What are we waiting for? Kasi nga there's only 3 reasons why sometimes buyer doesn't want to go for to buy a home. 2 things. Either the rate, because Alvin, ang rate kasi ang taas. Parating yung
Ito na nga,
ito,
bumaba
na nga. So,
ito na po yung
i-cross na natin yon.
ito na po yung hinihintay nyo. Ito na, bumaba na siya.
Bumaba na. I-cross na natin yon. Alvin, wala akong pang down payment. Wala akong,
Ayan, meron ka ng kalhapa.
meron na tayong kalapa, almost 100%. I-cross na natin yon.
You mean, gobyerno pang magbibigay
Gobyerno
ng
pa.
down
Ang ganda
payment.
pa ng rate.
Teka muna, yung yung closing cost, mababayaran yan, hindi?
No, grant yun.
Grant.
yun.
So it's a
Pwedeng,
combination of grant,
grant
and
tsaka,
yeah.
yung,
Okay.
So, cross na natin yun, di ba?
Okay.
Okay, are you waiting for the market to crash? come on, guys. Let's be real. The demand is there. We're not gonna see that, right?
Yeah, it's not gonna crash.
You definitely don't. You definitely want to cross
Stock
that out.
market have
Diba?
crashed.
Yeah,
Is crashing.
diba? So what is that is left, diba? It's just you needing to tell yourself it's time to own a home.
Yes, oo. Pero
Diba?
kasi ang mga tao iba-ibang motivation. diba?
Exacto.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, yung motivation ninyo,
Yeah.
I mean, kung family ang motivation
Yeah.
ninyo, this is it.
Yeah.
I
Correct.
mean, you deserve.
Yeah.
You deserve a better living
Yeah.
condition.
Yeah.
You deserve to actually start, building equity.
Yeah. Something that's growing for you
At
while you're
importante
sleeping.
sa atin, alam mo ba, Alvin,
Oo.
di ba tayo,
Oo.
trabaho tayo ng trabaho, importante na may pundar na kayo.
Correct.
Kaya nga tayo pumunta ng Amerika because land of
Magkaroon ng
opportunity.
something.
So ito na American dream. So go for it.
Yeah.
And don't be scared, di ba?
Yun nga sinasabi kong meron lang tayong 5 senses for the buyer side.
Oo nga.
Kaya iniisa-isa ko, di ba? Okay, is it the rate? Wala na yan,
Correct,
di ba? Is it
oo.
the money down payment? Wala na rin yan. Is it the market crash? Wala na rin yan, di ba? Yun ang parang gusto ko yung pakita eh.
Oh,
right?
yeah, correct.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
you guys gotta start to get busy.
Oh, we are already.
Yes,
Yeah,
you are?
Yeah, oh
Yes,
yeah, oh yeah.
okay, that's
And it's a
good.
blessed, di ba? It is a blessed. Again, we've been
Kasi
waiting.
we've been waiting for this for 2 years.
2 years na tayo.
2
oo.
years na na-slump ang
Honestly,
mortgage
yeah.
ang mortgage business.
And I haven't seen refinance for the last 2 years. Kaya nung may mga refinance ako pumapasok, parang nakalimutan ko na yata itong gawin na. Parang ganun. But of course, it's
ano ka na
parang
naging
I have to refresh ba, di ba?
parang natenga ka
Yeah,
for 2
yeah.
years.
But I want more home buyers out there to take advantage talaga of what's going on in the
Alam
market.
mo, okay,
Yeah.
may
We have to.
sasabihin ako si Alvin.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, kasi we are in the process of opening the Filipino-American Real Estate Professional
I've heard about
FARIPA
that.
here
Yeah.
in Sacramento. It's a Sacramento chapter.
I want that.
I'm actually gonna be the president.
Uy.
Okay, next
Congratulations.
naman,
Let's go.
Okay.
I like that. Support ako dyan 100%.
Yes, oo.
I promise.
And we're opening one. Our other headquarters is actually the FARIPA San Jose.
Mm.
And actually, it actually dawned on me kasi the reason why I wanted to lead that and
Mhm.
open a chapter here sa Sacramento,
Oo.
dahil para bang, kasi nga alam mo naman, medyo anong puso ko sa mga Pilipino.
Yes. Oh,
Okay,
I
I'm
know
very
that.
passionate on helping,
Mm.
itong mga kababayan
Yeah,
natin
yeah.
na magkabahay.
Yes, correct.
Diba?
Oo, oo.
So, I mean, by this avenue or channel,
Mm.
we will be able to, give first-time home buyer seminars,
Yes. Educate
educate them na katulad dito, sino bang may alam ng ganitong program?
Yeah,
Kung
may 100%.
100% na
Yeah.
wala pong pera kayong ilalabas
Oo.
para bumili ng bahay, di ba?
Yeah.
And then not only that, help the Filipino real estate community
Mhm.
kasi nga, excuse me,
Mhm.
alam naman natin tayong mga Pilipino,
Mm.
parang pinalaki tayo na, anak,
Mm.
go to school, get
Oo.
good grades, and then
Oo.
become a nurse.
Oo. Parang ako.
Di ba?
And then
Para
work.
bang everybody wants their children to become a
Oo,
nurse.
oo.
Pero walang magulang na magsasabing, anak, paglaki mo, magtayo ka ng negosyo
Sarili
mo.
mong business, correct.
So, ito na. I mean, a lot of people do
That's
real
nice.
estate
Mm.
because they think it's easy.
Mm.
Easy money.
Yeah.
Pero walang professionalism, walang knowledge, walang built skills
Mm.
yung iba.
Yeah, correct.
Kasi nga, ginagawa lang nilang part-time or hobby.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
or
with-
for the money only. Yeah, a lot
Or
of
even for the money,
only.
yes.
Yes.
So for me, I think by having this channel,
yeah.
I would be able to provide like, yung organization na to with the help of, the board of directors and some of the officers, we will be able to give scholarship sa
Nice.
mga Pilipino
Oo.
na gustong magtayo ng negosyo and become a realtor.
I love this. I
And we're
love
gonna
this.
provide scholarship and
Mm.
help them like steps on how
Mm.
to do this business.
I like
Right?
that.
Even after high school.
That's very good.
Yes.
Ay,
As long as
Uh-huh.
syempre they have to put in the work. Kasi
course.
maraming it's a lot of hard work becoming a realtor.
Yeah, it's never easy naman talaga, especially because you're in the sales part of the business.
Yeah,
diba?
and becoming entrepreneur. You
Entrepreneur.
wake up every day unemployed,
Correct.
right?
Yeah, yeah. So
You
it's like,
really need to hustle.
walang pwedeng call-in sick ako ngayon. Tinatamad ako, Elizabeth, ayoko mag-pre-approve.
Okay.
Diba?
Kung halimbawa gusto mo mag-college, sige, sara mo negosyo mo.
Wala ka nun.
Sirado
Oo.
mo tindahan mo today.
Tsaka wala tayong PTO eh.
Wala tayong PTO, wala tayong sick
Kaya
days.
talagang we have
wala
to
tayong
work,
vacation,
right?
di ba?
But you know, Elizabeth, it doesn't really matter to me kung wala tayo nun. I love what I do kasi.
Oo nga, alam mo, dyan tayo
Yeah, I love what
Kasi
I do.
you love becoming a loan officer
Oo.
and I love becoming a
Yeah, it's
realtor.
like, it doesn't
Isn't
matter.
it?
Oo.
That's amazing. How many years have you been doing it?
Mag-18 na.
Ay, pareho
Oo,
pala
may patubo
tayo.
na ako.
So, yung
Diba?
sabihin, nag-umpisa tayo ng 2007?
From the bottom ako talaga. Oo.
Wow.
Nagpo-process lang ako ng loan
That's
noon.
amazing.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So, and then not only that, this FARIPA, this Filipino-American real estate professional, yung mga ibang realtor na kailangan ng skills building or education and enhance and elevate the professionalism. We would be able to kind of help and teach that as well, and also grow their business, network
it.
with other Filipino
Realtors,
Americans,
yeah.
and it's gonna be amazing. I'm very, very excited.
Yeah.
Parang sa akin, alam mo ba? Parang this is like a gateway for not just realtors and also loan officers.
Yeah.
Or title companies or home warranty people or home inspectors or everybody all the vendors that involve in the real estate selling and
all the
buying.
legs. Yeah, I love that.
Yes.
I love that.
Alam mo pinaka the best. Alam mo ba?
Hindi ko pa alam. Tell me.
Marami akong kliyente ng mga Pilipino na gustong bumili ng bahay sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Kaso ang problema nila, takot sila na ma-scam.
Oo nga.
Kasi wala silang kakilala doon or they can't trust anybody. So, but by us, we will be able to open the door, right? To, to Philippine real estate.
Who wants to...
Now, we would be able to network and refer these clients.
Very
Na
interesting.
alam naming na peace of mind kami na hindi mo mapapahamak yung kliyente.
Correct. And nandito yung base mo, pwede kayong connection dito.
Correct.
Right?
Oo,
Nice.
yes.
Good.
Oo. So I'm very, very excited for
I'm
that.
excited for you, and I'm gonna tell you this right now, Elizabeth, that I will be supporting that.
Yes, I want you to.
110%.
Yeah, sigurado ka?
Sigurado ako dyan. I love
Thank you,
that.
Alvin.
It's another level of services eh.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes, definitely.
Hindi lang naman tayo sales lagi lang, right? Okay.
Correct,
Another
correct.
level of services. Right?
Yes.
Okay,
So
right.
anyway, we're really excited about what's up to come.
Yes.
2025 is gonna be our year.
Yes, I'm seeing a big
Yes,
2025.
And for Filipinos and everybody that wanted to own a home, ito na po
yeah, it's
ang
time.
hinihintay ninyo.
It's time talaga.
Okay, and of course, if you wanted to do buyer consultation
Yeah.
or mag-inquire lang on how to get ready, feel free to reach out to us. Again, my name is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold. We service Sacramento region all the way to San Francisco Bay Area.
Yes,
And
correct,
of course, Alvin will be able to help you with getting pre-approved or see what he could do to get you ready.
Yeah, show you the numbers.
Yes,
right?
and all the resources and
that we have.
programs
Correct.
for first-time home buyer
Mhm.
or for anyone that's looking to invest as well.
And of course, all you need to do is just the first step is buyer consultation. That's it.
That's it.
Always the first step.
That's the
Right.
first step.
And nothing to lose. There's no fee.
Correct.
Right?
And no
But we just want to be able we just want
To
to be able
help
to see
and
where
educate.
you at. Oo,
Yes,
at the end of the
oo.
day. Oo.
So there you have it. Thank you again for tuning in here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Don't forget to subscribe
Follow
and
and subscribe
share.
us, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you.